Eqvista pricing explained what you get for your money. Eqvista is an equity management platform for startups and private companies. Many people assume managing cap tables is expensive and complicated, but Eqvista offers clear and scalable pricing. The app is free for companies with up to 10 stakeholders, allowing basic cap table management and stock issuance tracking. Paid plans start at per month for up to 50 stakeholders and include advanced features like valuations, scenario modeling, and compliance reports. Enterprise plans are custom priced for large companies needing API integrations and investor reporting. Most people get this wrong by thinking equity management software is only for legal teams. The surprising truth is that Eqvista makes it simple for founders and finance teams to manage ownership, track dilution, and model fundraising scenarios. For instance, a startup issuing shares to new investors can update the cap table instantly and generate reports automatically. In conclusion, Eqvista balances affordability and robust functionality, making it ideal for startups seeking professional-grade equity management without high costs.